Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News, your premier source for electric vehicle news and updates. I'm your host, and today we're talking about a crucial issue that's affecting electric vehicles: ultra-fast charging. Ultra-fast charging has made headlines lately with the promise of reducing our wait times while refueling. But experts are warning against its potential harm to electric vehicle batteries. Research shows that chargers over 120 kW can shorten battery lifespans by as much as 40% compared to lower output chargers. This means that if you're using your EV for extended periods and relying on ultra-fast charging, you might be reducing the lifespan of your battery pack. In this situation, car owners are caught between reduced charging times and maintaining a good battery life for their vehicles. Manufacturers are now considering regulations such as larger warranty periods on critical components like batteries, including a minimum number of years or a range that will ensure the battery is replaced if its performance drops below 80% could help consumers. However, there's another side to this story. Manufacturers have strict conditions associated with these warranties, which can leave owners who use their vehicles commercially without protection. Private car owners may also face similar issues, especially when they misunderstand warranty terms and what's covered. Manufacturers are now considering newer chargers and charging features that reduce instances of battery degradation over time. But before we dive into the latest developments on this topic, let's consider the biggest impact of ultra-fast charging ride-hailing services. Since these services rely heavily on ultra-fast charging to keep their uptimes high, they're particularly vulnerable to this issue. An electric vehicle used as a cab travels 60 miles and turns to faster charging options to return quickly to the road. The rapid degradation of battery life due to ultra-fast charging can significantly affect the lifespan of these vehicles. So what does the future hold for these ride-hailing services? Can they afford the added costs associated with replacing batteries every few years, or will manufacturers find ways to develop more efficient and sustainable solutions? We'll continue to follow this story closely as it unfolds. For now, if you're considering buying an electric vehicle, make sure you understand the potential implications of ultra-fast charging on battery life. Stay tuned for more updates from ElectroDrive News.